Hmm. Yeah. Here again, this square G2 is guarded by bishop as well as knight. This square also guarded by this knight. So question is about this square E. So you have to give the check and as well as guard this E square. This can only be possible because this queen is behind bishop. If bishop is not here, queen will guard this square. So the simplest way is this. White to move. Here also that pin concept is there. As soon as we finish this, we'll go for that pin concept immediately. Or actually, this is a very simple problem. Simply only one can give check. Here there is this knight can give check, but there is support of the pawn. So no use of that support, check. So this check is very easy. King cannot come over here. Nobody can come in middle. And this rook, if you feel rook can come in the middle, but no, this rook is there. Rook cannot be moved. It becomes illegal. तो यहाँ से check आ जाएगा. Here we can say this rook has done a pin. White to move. White to move. Come on, Durga, tell me the answer.
Sir, 1 minute.
Here number of checks are there. Only one is good. Yes, Durga. Ranveer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the answer.
Sir, knight in d5 will come to c7.
Perfect. Perfect. Here you will see this bishop is catching this line. That means king cannot move over here or here. These two are out of question. So the only place for king is this. So you have to give the check at the same time you have to catch this square. Two things you have to do at a time. If you give check from here, you can't catch that square on f7. Or you give check from here, also you can't catch this square. Even it is possible that you can give check from here also. You are catching all the squares. But this place is not safe. Black queen will kill white queen. Otherwise, this was good. So the only thing is that this bishop, if knight is not in this place, bishop will catch this place. So best way is that remove this and put it somewhere to give the check. Now you can give the check like this. But here, even though the check is there, pawn can kill. Here, nobody can kill. It is safe. At the same time, now bishop is guarding this square. So all squares are guarded. King cannot move anywhere. Everybody understood this? Again, this is a hidden square control or hidden attack on this square, which you are opening it.
Okay.
Right to move. Give checkmate. Once I teach you pin and fork problems, na, then these checkmate problems would be very easy for you. Sia, tell me.
Sir, the rook in E7 will move to E6. No. Wait.
No. You said it and you said no. Himanshi.
So the rook answer only.
Same.
Rook in E7 will move to B7.
Perfect. Because there is a support. This support you can move over there. Perfect. You understood, Sia? Second last problem. Black to move. And checkmate. It's very easy.
Sir,
Who will give this answer? Samia? Aditya? Aditya, you give?
Yes, sir. Sir, the queen will come to A, A, A8.
This.
No.
Because it is black to move, madam, not white to move. What you are saying is white to move. No. Ira.
Sir, the queen will go to H1.
H1. Okay, but is there any support for the queen? Anybody supporting over there? If king kills queen, is it okay then? No. Problem
Sir,
is
it would come to H2.
H2. But again, H2 is not safe. The bishop will kill. H2 is also
Sir,
not
can
safe.
I tell?
Yes.
Sir, the black queen will move to E3.
E3. If it moves over E3, king can move over here, no? H1 or even F1. There is a space.
Sir, can I say
Yes,
the queen will move to C1?
perfect. Perfect. Good. Now the last problem, no, second last problem. Or no, last. White
Sir,
yes, sir.
sir, do can you take the problem number 85?
Sure, sure, sure. Who wants this?
Dev.
Okay. Yes, there. Here it is.
Sir,
Hmm.
here we can move the rook in E2 to E6.
Yes, you are right. But again, this rook is there, no? This rook will capture. It should be safe. First rule. Where your line of position should be safe. Yes. Yes, who is that?
There is support.
Yeah, support should be there. It should not be killed. If it is getting killed, even though it is having support, there is what is the use, no? It is no more, it will do its duty. So this is the last problem. White to move. Who will solve? The first hand raise. Okay, 2 participants hand raised and 3 participants hand raised. Okay, let me see. Okay, Sia.
Sir, the knight in F3 will move to D4.
Okay, Durga.
Sir, the queen will move to B1.
Dev.
Sir, the queen will move to A6.
Aditya. Aditya.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, I am taking your name.
Sir, the pawn in C3 will move to C4.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Sir, it was Sia.
Yeah, it was, yeah, I got. Because this square is hidden. Okay, pawn was there. So that there was a hidden attack. What you are doing is you are unleashing that hidden attack. Now, bishop is attacking this and this also, and pawn is attacking king. That is a checkmate. Very easy. Now here I would like to tell you one thing. Very important, and listen intently. All these problems or drills basically are meant for your practice purpose so that your eyes or brain gets tuned to it. But in reality, what happens? Na? Your opponent or nobody is going to tell you there is one move checkmate. Here you are identifying that checkmate just because you know it, it is a one move checkmate. And that is why your search is accordingly. समझते सगळ्यांना नाहीतर तुमचा ब्रेन तशा पद्धतीने विचारच नाही करणार. आणि हे मला अवॉइड, आय वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड दिस थिंग. सी, when you play with anybody, there is always a possibility of you can mate in 1 or 2 or 3 moves. So you have to find out all the time. So the more number of games you play, then you will have the practice of looking at the board in different perspective. So this requires lot of game practice. So once you start playing games properly, another 2-3 months are there to start our game. But once you start a game, you can play with each other. Even if you don't stay near, you can challenge each other over the net and you can play with each other. You have the partners right here in the group. No need for your father and mother to play with you all the time. They don't have that much time. Or you can ask me also. Or if you 2 or 3 persons are playing with each other, I can observe that. As a third person, I can observe what you are playing. And if your mistakes are there, I can make out. You understand? Keep this in mind, because all the time, nobody is going to tell you that this is 1 move problem or 2 move problem or 3 move problem, or whatsoever the number of move problem. You have to identify those things when you are playing game. And one more thing, every time king is involved, that is good, what we are learning for that. But in actuality or in reality, you will find that a minor piece or major piece is involved, which you have to trap. Here we are practicing to trap the king, but you try to trap a smaller piece. It is easy to win that piece. And when you win the piece or a pawn, you start doing all exchanges. They dhanadhan, exchange, piece for piece. So what will happen? You will end up with 1 piece extra than your opponent. This is the easiest way of winning chess. Most easy way. You win 1 piece and you win the game. You understand? Because all the emphasis should be on winning and not only playing. So let us move to pawn or to our pin things. What is pin? So can anybody tell me what is pin? Particularly all the girls. All the girls. Boys cannot tell this. I know that. Because they don't use pin. Girls use hairpins. What is pin? Pin is something which holds together. Hairpin, it holds hair together. Paper pin, it holds paper together. So what is the pin? Something which holds together. Some instrument.
Sir, in sari also.
In what? In what, Ranveer? Yes, tell me, don't worry, Ranveer. You are welcome to tell. Ranveer, please tell me. Something you tell me, I will be grateful to you, no issues.
Sir, sari.
Siding means? Sari pins. Okay. Sari pins. Okay, that is also a pin. Very good. साडीच्या नेऱ्या घट्ट करतात, एकत्र ठेवतात. Okay, fine. Very good, Ranveer. So pin means something to hold together, and how that is related in chess. So in chess, your piece is holding together opponent's pieces, or opponent's piece is holding together your pieces. That is a pin. Holding together means what? Not allowing you to move. That is holding together. In other words, let us see that. Now, this rook is holding together both of them. Not exactly both of them here, but this one. Why? If it is moved, king gets killed. So in other words, I can say this is immovable, and its power to control these squares is gone. It cannot control this, even if it has something to eat. Oh, queen मिल रहा है, मारो इसको. But no, not possible. Rook is holding up. If king is here, then rook is not holding. Then you can kill. But the line of attack is very important. So similar is the case if I keep this over here and this over here. So now line of attack this. So this rook cannot kill this even though it is unsupported. आपको लगा रहे वाह 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 मुझे फ्री में मिल रहा है. But no, your king will go. So in different words, I can define pin in chess like this. When there are two pieces of your opponent or one person playing in one line, and in the same line your piece is attacking, then that position is called as pin. So there are two pieces in line and your piece is also attacking. It will attack from here also. It is attacking in the same line because they both are in this line. If this is here, then it cannot be pin क्योंकि यहाँ पर यही इसको मारेगा. So यहाँ पर अगर दूसरा कोई रहेगा तो you can pin this. You understand? This is the concept of pin. Now there are 2-3 important principles of pin. Number one, pin could be good pin and bad pin. Okay, pin could be good or bad. So how to recognize which is good and which is bad? First, we will find out what is good. The good pin is where the smaller piece is ahead and bigger piece is behind. For example, this is also a pin. Smaller piece is ahead and bigger piece is behind. But bigger piece ahead and smaller piece behind, this cannot be a good pin. Okay, number one, smaller ahead and bigger behind. And second is when that bigger behind is king or queen, that pin is the best pin or bestest pin, I can say. ऐसा कोई word है नहीं, but it's the best pin. It is a best pin when king is involved and then queen is involved, then rook is involved, then these are involved. This is a pin. This is a pin. Smaller is ahead and bigger is behind. So all those pins which involve smaller ahead and bigger behind are good pins, and king involved or queen involved is the best pin. So these are good pins. And what are bad pins? I'll tell you. Now you want to pin this. You cannot pin in the line of this smaller piece also. This smaller piece is attacking. So this is a bad pin. If this is here, you cannot pin this way. This is a bad pin. So for bishop, slanting piece is not working. Or for rook, straight pin will not work. It has to be opposite. For pinning the rook, it should be slanting. And for pinning this, it should be straight, vertical or horizontal. If there is a horse, then there is no problem. It could be a slanting also, or it could be a vertical also, no issues. Or pawn is there, no issue. You understand what is bad pin? And pin can be done with this, pin can be done with this, pin can be done with this. This is a pin. So this three things, they form a pin. As I said, when the problem number 85 was there, I said there is a concept of pin utilized. Okay, so let us find out that problem, what was it saying, and I will show you that. Yeah, this problem, 83. Here, concept is, this is also a pin. रूक ने रूक को पिन किया है, but this is a bad pin. आगे भी रूक है, पीछे किंग है, so this is a pin as per definition, but this is a bad pin since this rook also can kill this. But here the use of pin is that when you move it over here, now this is immovable. It cannot move this way because rook will kill. Rook can move this way, fine. But check is there now. So no chance of moving that. It can move only in one way to stop the check. And that is also prevented by pin. You understood? So this is the use of pin. अभी ये सिचुएशन कैसे आ गई पता नहीं, क्योंकि ये अगर ऐसे रहेगा तो ये ब्लैक शुड हैव किल्ड. So these are not real positions. These are not real positions. You understood the concept, everybody? Pin. So
Yes, sir.
next class we will work on this pin concept very much. I think there are around 30 problems for pins. So all problems we can cover in one session only, if possible. If you start learning fast, then I will be little faster. But at any time, yes, yes.
सर सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, विकास बोलतोय देवचे बाबा. सर मंडे नाही ना, त्यांना 5 o'clock ला असेसमेंट डे आहे शाळेचा, आता टेस्ट मंडेला संध्याकाळी 5 वाजता.
बरं बरं बरं. मी बघतो, कारण काय सगळ्यांचा जर का प्रॉब्लेम नसेल तर आपल्याला तो थोडासा क्लास पुढे मागे करता येईल. तर त्याच्याकरता एक मेसेज तुम्ही टाकून ठेवा वाटल्यास ग्रुपवर की इफ एनीबडी प्रॉब्लेम फॉर, तुम्हाला 6 o'clock जर का सुटेबल असेल तर. जर का सगळेजण हो म्हणाले 6 o'clock ला, तर मला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. जर मी एक मिनिट बघतो मी 6 o'clock ला काय आहे का.
नाही तर अर्धा तास आपण पूर्ण आधी घेऊ शकणार का? 3:32.
सॉरी आपण आपला 4 o'clock आहे ना. 1 minute.
हो 4 to 5 आहे. तर 5 ला असेसमेंट आहे त्यांचं शाळेचं. टायमिंग आजच आता चेंज झालंय, आधी 9चा होता सकाळी.
अच्छा, म्हणजे दर सोमवारचं म्हणताय तुम्ही? एव्हरी
हो, आता सोमवार. हो.
ओके. सो व्हॉट यू वॉन्ट इज 4:30 इन्स्टेड ऑफ 4:30.
3:30 to 4:30 म्हणजे अर्धा तास मिळेल ना त्यांना. मग
ओके. मग तुम्ही ग्रुपवर तसं टाकून ठेवा. जर का बाकी प्रॉब्लेम नसेल ना, आणि मलाही मी बघतो त्याप्रमाणे. आणि नाहीतर मग दुसरा उपाय असा आहे ना की मी रेकॉर्डिंग आजकाल करतो कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत.